If you don't sleep nasal breathing, your body actually fights more to breathe. And so a lot of those kids can't have a restful sleep at night. And so they wake up not rested. And so they act like almost they have ADHD because their brain's trying to stay awake. You can't really have rest and recovery sleeping if you can't nasal breathe and truly rest. And so they're having a harder time retaining information and they have a hard time sitting still because their brain's just trying to stay awake.
Mm-hmm.